Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to delete a file from a particular bucket using again on the same lines using a Python program. Now as you know in the last tutorial we have created this hw.txt file in one of the buckets. Now let's try to understand how we can delete this particular file using the Python code. So pretty much on the same lines I have created this delete block function, pass these two arguments. One is my bucket name, another one is the file which I wanted to delete. Created the object of client class, storage client class, and this is the bucket which we are pointing by using the storage client class object. Okay, now here what we can do is we can just mention bucket dot delete, or let's create the blob first. Blob is equal to bucket dot blob name, right? And then you just delete bucket dot delete and just make it as blob. Okay, so basically this is what is our code is. Let's just right, and you just can do a direct delete function on blob, and once you delete this particular blob, what you can do is you can even delete the bucket as well. Okay, but here we just have to make sure that we are not deleting the bucket first and then blob, because of two things it is not possible, because you cannot delete a bucket which is not empty. If you have a file inside a bucket, then you cannot directly delete the bucket. You have to delete that file first and then basically come to the bucket for deletion. Okay, so let's try to run this. Let's try to delete the blob first. Okay, so it has came to this particular file. That means the blob got deleted. Let's try to verify this by logging into here, and if we just refresh this particular page, then this we don't see the hw.txt file, so that means it is deleted, right? But we still have the bucket here. If you see, we still have the bucket because we have not yet executed the bucket dot delete line of code, which I'll do it now. And if you see, now we should not have even this bucket as well. So if I just refresh this, then the bucket is also deleted now and our program will end. Okay, so this is how we have seen all the file IO operation that we can do on GCS bucket using Python. We started from creating the bucket, then we created the file, we read the file, we write the file, then we read the content of a file, and now we have seen how to delete the file and the corresponding bucket as well using Python in GCS. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.